Due to concerns that imported tankers might have transported kerosene, a workshop in Peshawar decided to build their tanker. With exceptional cutting and welding skills, the craftsman created a product rivaling those made by multi-million-dollar production lines, leaving viewers in awe. The boss brought a truckload of high-quality steel plates to let the craftsman fully demonstrate their skills. The craftsman unloaded all the plates and laid 4 on the ground, welding them together to form a larger steel plate. This larger plate served as the foundation for cutting out a massive circle. Although the steel plate's increased surface area was insufficient for the intended circle, the craftsmen were undeterred. They used cutting torches along the drawn lines and then attached the cut-off pieces to fill in the missing areas, welding and cutting again to form a complete circular steel plate. Indeed, where there's a will, there's a way. The craftsmen transformed scrap materials into valuable components, wasting nothing. After creating 2 circular plates, they hammered them to ensure they were perfectly flat and set them aside for later use. Meanwhile, another craftsman bent other steel plates using a press brake to shape them into curved segments. These segments would later be welded to the circular plates to form the tank body. Due to the large diameter, 3 such steel plates were needed to create a full cylinder. Welding these segments was no easy task. The craftsman had to use threaded adjusting rods to position the plates accurately before welding them to the circular plates. They used a circular iron frame as an internal support and welding guide to ensure a perfectly round tank body. Through skilled operations, the basic structure of the tanker was formed. With the basic structure complete, the craftsman continued welding additional steel plates to extend the tank body, section by section, until a complete tanker body was formed. Despite the simplicity of the structure, the process was complex and required close cooperation and excellent skills to construct such a large item without any significant equipment. After the tank body reached the desired length, another circular plate was welded to the other end, forming the basic tanker structure. However, there were still many steps before it could be considered complete. To ensure robustness, the craftsmen performed full weld treatments on all seams. Iron boxes were then welded as the base supports for the tanker. With the 3 supports firmly in place, the next big challenge was to flip the tanker over without large equipment. Using their strength and knowledge of physics, they successfully flipped the tanker, allowing them to cut 2 circular openings on top for welding steel cylinder shapes as tank covers. They also cut 2 circular holes on the sides. After precisely cutting the circular openings, the craftsman inserted a large steel pipe through each side hole. Due to the pipe size and weight, the process appeared strenuous, requiring additional round pipe supports and simultaneous force from inside and outside to position them correctly. Iron frames were welded inside the tanker to support and stabilize the pipes. Once the pipes were securely in place and all external seams welded, the tanker was almost complete, save for the final and most critical step: insulating the tank body and wrapping it with iron sheets. Working perfectly, the craftsman completed the wrapping, presenting a solid, durable, and aesthetically pleasing tanker for the owners to use confidently. The craftsman's exceptional skills and creativity are awe-inspiring. How would you rate this ingeniously crafted tanker?